Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix this story is unavailable Instagram problem. If you are encountering the this story is unavailable problem on Instagram, it usually means that the person who posted this story has either deleted it, made their account private or blocked you. Here is a step-by-step guide on what you can do in such situation. Check if the account is private. If the account that posted the story is private, you will not be able to view their stories unless they accept your follow request. In this case, you will see the story is unavailable message. Check if you have been blocked. If the person has blocked you, you will not be able to view their stories or any their content. This is one possible reason for the error message. Verify if the story has expired. Instagram stories are only available for 24 hours. If you are trying to view a story after this time, it will no longer be available. Check for updates. For that, open up Play Store on your device and search for Instagram. Tap on it. If any update option is available, then you should tap on update option. Clear cache and data. For that, go to your mobile setting, scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. After that, tap on it. You can see here storage. Tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Log out and log back in. For that, open up Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on three horizontal line at the top right corner. You can see here setting and privacy. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap on log out. Log out your Instagram account and then log back in. This can sometimes refresh your account setting. Try on another device or browser. If possible, try accessing the story from a different device or browser to see if the issue persists. If none of the above steps work and you believe this is an issue on Instagram end, you can contact their support team for further assistance. That's it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.